Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the maximum page size in Gmail on your PC. If you want to adjust the number of emails displayed per page in your Gmail inbox, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail on your PC. Step 2. Look for the Settings option located at the top right corner of the screen. It is represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Click on See All Settings to access the complete settings menu. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the maximum page size option. By following these quick and easy steps, you can customize the number of emails displayed per page in your Gmail inbox to suit your preferences. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials on Gmail and other tech-related topics.